We've got a couple of things to unbox. Lucky us, the official utility frame from Insta360. I need, oops, I'll slip you a couple of thumbs off. Ooh, no, that's as far. Ah, there we go. There we go. Nobody reads instructions. Screw with the Allen key. Yep. Let's have a look at the mount itself. It does feel good quality. The problem I have here is I'm using the camera to record the unboxing. So these here seem to be able to go there or round the back there. But if you do that, you lose your shoe mount. Ah. Okay. Push that button. That feels nice. That is a lovely bag. It feels really good quality, the plastic bag. There's a few leads in here. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to take the sticker off first. Wow. As soon as I've opened it, it starts flashing. Yes. That looks like it's gonna be working. That'll plug in there. And then that'll plug into the camera. I'll record there. Absolutely, it just worked straight out of the box. It's super rugged. It all looks very impressive. Obviously not waterproof as such now. Try and straighten this thing up. Yep. This is the mic adapter. I already had this, and it allows us to put an external battery on. So whether I'm on the motorbike or on the push bike or want to record anything, it looks like it just works. I'll be interested to hear what it sounds like. It just feels really good quality. I would have expected to pay more for this than I actually have done. I got it from August for, I think it was 90 quid, something like that. I'm going to put my voice straight to it, straight over the microphone. Somebody's having a snooze. So you see the mic? Testing. I'm testing the microphone out. Have you just nodded your head? So the first thing to note, I mean this is the audio test, but the first thing to note is the microphone's always on. So even when you shut the camera down, unless you start faffing about with the audio button. And the other thing I want to point out, it has two cold shoe mounts. I didn't realise. I wonder who lives in a door like this. Oh, I've told you not to go in the river. They don't listen. The problem with having the mic receiver on the top is that it makes it a little bit more awkward to press the button, but it's still doable. I don't mind it too much. I suppose the other thing is you get two mics in there, so You run out battery on one, worst case scenario. If you're just by yourself, surely you just swap them over. Keep out of there, mister. You haven't got your trunks. Oh, here these days. They just go on and on and on. And on and on. Apparently it's got a decent range on it as well. You know what's coming, don't you? Yes, I'm in here. Surprise! I'm just quickly testing it without the fluffy cat. Louis decided to jump in the front seat and get it wet. Haven't you, Louis? You're supposed to be in the back. Oh, I've just noticed an issue with having the cold shoe on the top. Haven't we? You noticed it too. You can't flip the screen up to look directly at you. You can see where we've got the mic. Testing. Is it still pretty clear? I would imagine you wouldn't be further away than this. Well, I wouldn't anyway. Now what I've done this morning is I've tested it out coming into work on the bike. I'm not entirely sure where this goes. I'm going to be late for work purely because I got lost. This looks more inviting, doesn't it? I'm basically looking for a track so I can get to work without going on the road. So how's the microphone doing? It's still attached. That's a good sign. Oh, I should have left sooner. Although, I can see the road. Yeah, so quick microphone check for its intended use. But this is good. This is what I wanted. Now I'm gonna.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have to invest in a bell now because that just cleared the way much more than my voice did. Oh yeah.
It's quite a loud thing, isn't it?
You've got powerful thumbs. You still got your fluffy cat?
Yeah. I think we could do with Hotel Chocolat when we get
Oh Jesus.
into Newcastle. What?
At this pace I think we've only burned off 100 calories. Can I be putting 1,000 back on for a Hotel Chocolat?
Quicker, you know. I says I can go a bit quicker.
No. I think just keep a slow pace. Hello. Mine's on red. Mine's on red on there. It still looks like it's registering, but this is all testing to see how long the microphones stay active. How long do you think we've been out?
I don't know what time we're left.
The red means that it's getting low. Never mind. Yours hasn't gone.
It's all glass and horrible here.
Yeah, it's very neglected. I'm so surprised when we come across any motorbikes on the cycle tracks. See, I told you.
What happened if you didn't?
You got to watch because they nick your shit.
How come we're freewheeling? You're getting further away from us.
I'm more streamlined. It's all about the aerodynamics. Plus, I give you the bike with the brake spinning on. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Testing.